ganun ka taas yung talon ng mga players ni Coach Dante.
Which makikita mo talaga sa replay, ano? Lalo mong nakikita at na-appreciate yung elevation nila. Speaking of, Derek Mendoza spanks that ball off a lead from Ariel Cacao.
A while ago, it was Greg Ancheta giving sets to Obed Mukaba. Now it's time for Ariel Cacao to give some points to Lyric Mendoza.
The lefty on tap. Mukaba again!
EU against NU. Nobody went up against Obed Mukaba. Coach Dante na hihingi niya yung pasa sa right side so that he can drag all the blockers to that side para maiwan mag-isa si Jade Disquitado.
Again from Cacao.
Late double block. It's all about the timing in the men's.